coming in here is that we can reconnect you and we can help you just figure out who you need, because sometimes it's overwhelming, especially with that first baby. You just don't know what you don't know. Hi, I'm Dr. Bandemer with Bolingbrook Family Chiropractic. I am a prenatal and postpartum as well as a pediatric chiropractor here, and I wanted to make this video to tell you guys about the benefits of seeing a chiropractor postpartum. So especially in our office, we love to help you guys connect with people in the community. You might need resources, your baby might need resources for feeding, lactation, pelvic floor. There's so many things, counseling. There's plenty of things that you could need to help kind of build that village for you postpartum. So that is one huge thing that I think is amazing when you're coming in here, is that we can reconnect you and we can help you just figure out who you need, because sometimes it's overwhelming, especially with that first baby. You just don't know what you don't know. So it's nice to have somebody on your team to just connect with and say, like, is this normal? Who can I talk to about this? Is this something you can help me with? All of those things. But I know that I couldn't wait to get back in because I was nursing my babies and felt like I was constantly hunched over. You're shrugging your shoulders because you don't know how to relax yet while you're feeding, even bottle feeding. So I was really excited to get adjusted and try to be realigned. But I've also mentioned in previous videos too that we're always conscious about the parasympathetic versus the sympathetic nervous system. So again, you can be really stressed when you're taking care of your baby, which there's some need for that too. Like, you should be a little bit on edge, trying to make sure that baby's, getting what they need, responding to all of their cues, all of that. So there is a purpose to be a little bit stressed in that sympathetic response, but we want to help you balance between the two. You should be able to jump back and forth instead of remaining in that sympathetic state. So that's a great reason to get adjusted too, not just about aches and pains, but to get you feeling less stressed and hopefully more sleep too. So if you're able to rest a little bit more, and again, you're supposed to kind of wake up when you hear any little noise that baby makes, because that's evolutionary and you're supposed to, so that is normal. But we want you to be able to get the sleep when someone is able to help you with baby. We want you to be able to relax enough to be able to think rationally and all of those things. And again, we can also reconnect you, like I said, with pelvic floor, but we can also give you simple, just general guidance too, as far as like pelvic floor stretching, lower body stretching. We can help manage your diastasis recti or diagnose it and then tell you where to go from there. But there is plenty that we can do too to help you manage it in the meantime. Sometimes you're like, I'm just overwhelmed. I don't even really want to make it to that one appointment, but like I said, we'd like to be that person to kind of guide you and be that jumping off point. So yeah, plenty of benefits.